Your search for the perfect side hustle ends today. Because today I'm here to show you the plug-and-play, tried and tested Maximus Traffic system that you can use to simplify creating your next side hustle and maximize your chances of finding successful offers. With the Maximus Traffic system, you get, step 1, collect thriving ClickBank offers through a powerful software called CB250. You see, ClickBank is an amazing platform that's the modern representation of a gold mine for anyone looking to succeed. But the only rule being, you have to do it right. With CB250, you can easily find the most successful offers on ClickBank and place those offers on autopilot, drive traffic to them, and enjoy an unbeatable affiliate marketing method. Using its one-of-a-kind search function, you can easily find more products in any niche, find keywords, search through Alexa, and have a new list every 24 hours to maintain accurate results. Now, once you've got the perfect 3 or 4 offers, how do you promote them? I'm glad you asked. That's when the next step of our system comes into play. Step number 2, plug your high-end offers into the Maximus software. Maximus is the world's fastest offer promotion app and can send thousands of visitors to the page of your choice in less than 90 seconds. How does it work? Maximus gives you 20 landing pages already set up for your offers, connects them with your affiliate links, and allows you to target your ideal customers with 0 previous experience. It's so easy to use, yet so powerful, with mind-blowing daily results that most people you know don't make in an entire month. With Maximus, you don't need to understand marketing funnels or create 10 landing pages for a single offer. You don't need to create an expensive campaign that's almost always underwhelming and disappointing. All you have to do is follow that starter guide and the step-by-step tutorials that come with it, and you'll be on your way to affiliate marketing success. And for the last piece of the puzzle, and the last attempt at landing the sale, you're going to need instant push pages. Step number 3, start using instant push pages to create effective squeeze pages. In order to retain your traffic, you need to create a community and database of your engaged leads and use it to target them for another attempt at converting them into customers. With our Instant Push Pages software, you'll have access to a revolutionary technology that places their offers in people's faces in a new, non-invasive, and attractive way through web push notifications. Not only that, but you'll be able to build instant squeeze pages for any of your offers, allowing you to direct all lost traffic, introduce your offers in a new light, and make them much easier to promote. In addition to that, we'll provide you with $10,000 worth of software marketing solutions. Our Maximus Traffic 3-step system is the marketing cheat code every business wishes they had, now available for you to benefit from. With us, you'll have a foolproof process that you can start using as soon as today and create the perfect funnel for high-paying offers.
Okay, this is the demo and overview video of Maximus Traffic. I'm making this so you understand exactly what you're getting with the Maximus Traffic system. And we're in the members area and we're on the dashboard, and it starts out with this welcome video, and it's very important that you watch this welcome video because it has some important information that you're going to need to set up the Maximus Traffic system. And down below that video are the different steps. And the first step is where you can register for a live training call. It's by Jonah Armstrong and his Ministry of Freedom, and he shows you how to make 10K a month in 60 days or less. So if you're interested in that, you can get access to it by clicking this button here. And down below that is where you can get access to the remixable software, and it gives you the ability to resell 50 times other software tools. So if you want to sell your own programs, that's the program to get. And you can get access to that by clicking this button right here. And down below that is the core Maximus Traffic softwares. Now this is on the front end. You get access to 4 different softwares. You get CB250, which gets you ClickBank offers. You get Maximus, which is your done-for-you funnels. And then you get Push Pro and Instant Push Pages. This is where you get your traffic. So anyway, in order to set those up, you scroll down here, and then it shows you how to register your softwares, because there's 4 different softwares. And you can get access to the registration links right here. And then down below that, this is where you access the softwares after you've registered them. And you can get access to the softwares by clicking this button here. And if I scroll down, here is the demo and training videos. And some of them are done by me, and some of them are done by my partner, Chris. So it's very recommended that you watch these training videos in their entirety. And down below video 2 on the training section are some important tools, and it's very recommended that you have these tools. If you don't have them, we give you access to them in these links right here. And down below that is the training for the CB250 software, and you can also get access to the CB250 login by clicking this button here. And down below that is the Maximus training, and you can get access to the Maximus login right here. So you can get access to Maximus by clicking this button here. And down below that is the Maximus Part 2. It teaches you how to edit your Maximus Done For You funnels. And down below that are some more important links. And down below that video is where you can get the training for the Push Pro software. And you can also log into Push Pro right here. And down below that is where you have the Instant Push Pages training video. And you can get access to the Instant Push Pages software right here. And down here is another demo and overview video of the Maximus Traffic system. So it's very recommended that you watch that. And then down below that is where you can upgrade if you haven't already done so. These are the different upgrades. And then here are your bonuses. You get email marketing video training course, and you get affiliate marketing video training course. And here's where you can submit a support ticket. So that's the members area of Maximus Traffic. So now you know exactly what you're getting with Maximus Traffic. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.